Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's Fiza. Thank you so much for showing me support on my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my previous video. If you still haven't seen it, please go and check out. And today I'm going to share with you another very easy and tasty recipe. It's called Chinese rice. For Chinese rice, 1 kg chicken boneless, 2 carrots, cut them in slices, 1 packet of sprout and some peas, 5 eggs and some bell peppers, cut them in nice small pieces. And also we need some oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and 1 teaspoon of Chinese salt. And also we need 1 bunch of spring onions and cut them nice and thin. And then we need 4 to 5 green chilies and 1 normal onion cut in nice small pieces. So guys, with the rice you don't need to fully cook them, you only need to cook them like 80%. Once the 80% done, you need to drain the water out and rinse and drain with the nice cold water. And then take a bigger tray and spread the rice all over and cover the rice with cling foil and then leave it in the fridge for maximum 3 to 4 hours before you start cooking. So guys, finally Chinese rice are ready to serve and I am starving, can't wait to dig in. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and please, as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the icon button so you don't miss out any of my new videos. So